All right. Sorry I didn't get any footage on the last one at New High Park, but I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. You're really, really going to enjoy this one. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that thumbs up button, because this is going to be epic. All right, I'm ready. Here we go. No, 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 no. Batman. No, 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 no. Batman. No, 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 Batman. Batman. Yes, you're seeing this correct. I told you this is going to be epic. But wait, it gets better. We have a transistor radio. You all right?
Yeah, you ready?
All right. All right, you're next. No, 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 no. Yep, it's somewhere up there. The adventures of Mikey Pipes. There she is. How the fuck am I gonna get up there? That's right. You see what I'm doing? All right. Look at that.
I can't see nothing.
Oh, because you're unprepared. You don't have a flashlight.
I need a headlamp.
Yeah, you need a headlamp.
That's what I need.
Yeah. If you had enough FaceTime on YouTube, the subscribers would probably send you one, but don't bet on it. All right. I am going to try to get in there. I need a voltmeter and a needle nose. Voltmeter and needle nose. Where you going? Turn the light in here. Right over there. No, that's a lines ones. Right there, here we go. Now, let's see how the fuck am I gonna get up there. Alright. Let me throw this over there. I don't think it's safe to walk on this. Yeah. Okay. You know, ladder. All right, so let me not hit my head on any of those nails. Hold on a second. I'm gonna do this. Just like that. You know what? Moving forward, we're just gonna go through this return. This is stupid. Let's go over there and see what's going on. Okay. You see how I feed you? Mikey Pipes feeds you. And you need to smash that thumbs up button. And make sure you share. Share with the world the channel. I guess it had a hot water coil in there. All right. Let me see if I got any power here. Let me see if I have any 24 volts on RNC. First, I'll probably see if I have any voltage there. Let's see. I don't have 24 volts across RNC. That's what I don't have. That's off. Mic cut. is telling me to go to the condenser first. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's get a 1/4-inch driver. Thermal zone. Let's test that contactor. All right, testing the resistance across the contactor coil. I got weird numbers. Let's see if we get on there a little bit better. No, she's bad. And that contactor killed that transformer up there. So I just gave him the great news, the price. And I said, you should sit down. I was like, I'm the only idiot that's gonna go into your attic in conditions like that to work on your system. So you're paying a premium, probably triple what I would normally charge. I was like, let me tell you what happened. Your contactor, due to lack of proper annual service, shorted out and quite possibly sent 240 volts up 24 volt control wire and blew out your transformer on an 80-year-old air handler in an attic that I have to go through to a closet that goes into some kind of kid's dungeon, carpeted no less. Then I go across, walking across roof rafters to get to the front of the house, and then to climb like a 4.5-foot wall with no ladder. And then another 10 feet to get to the air handler. I am the only moron who would do that. And I said, be prepared to spend. I am going to replace a contactor in your condenser. I'm going to replace the fan center relay on your air handler. And it's not going to be a couple $100. There's going to be a comma in the price. And there's no guarantee it's going to work. Alternatively, I strongly advise you to replace the system, which I told you after Hurricane Sandy, after the outdoor unit got, submerged in salt water. In 2015, when I was here working in that horrible attic, and the last time I was here was 2018. Replace the system. How much is that going to cost? He asked me. And I said, well, it depends. What kind of car you want to buy? Do you want a Hyundai? Or do you want an Infiniti like you have in your driveway? Or a Bentley? Or a BMW? Or a G-Wagon? He starts laughing. I said, I'm not laughing. I'm Mikey Pipes. I command thee to stop laughing and pay me. All right, let me get in that attic. You thought I was kidding. You thought I was kidding. You gotta climb a 4.5-foot wall and get up here. Oh my God. Yeah. This is nuts.
We've been here for 15 years.
Yes, and this is nuts. I am the only lunatic. I am the only lunatic that would do this. The only lunatic. I am nuts.
Is it a big unit up there, or?
You got to take apart where the filter is, and you'll have access up here. Yeah. You got to take this apart. All right, then we get in and out of here. But the ductwork is kind of decent, but not the equipment.
Yeah, that unit's been here since the 80s.
This unit is from like the 70s.
70s?
Yeah, at least. Maybe in the 60s. This thing is old. I think the only thing older than this is dinosaurs.
Why whoever made the unit is very good, because can you imagine it's been working for the last, what, 40 years?
Yeah, well, you better keep your fingers crossed, because we don't know if it's going to cool or not. And God help you if you need a new motor. You need a new motor, you're done. All right, there's my fan center. I have my existing neutrals. All right, this is the neutral going to the blower. This is neutral coming from... Yep, I'm good. And this is the neutral...
I did not put the disconnect back in yet.
Okay, that's fine. This is the neutral going to the transformer. This blue wire is power going to the blower. All right, this other block, here's line voltage. Here's line voltage going to the transformer. And this yellow wire energizes one, is energizing one side of the coil, and power goes out of there from here. And this is the two lever Wago. All right, this is the 3-lever Wago, also a 3-lever Wago. Now I'm going to put all this back in there and then do the control wiring. All right, the box is mounted. If I take R and G, relay closes, energizes the blower. See that? Let me turn the power off, and I got to take the wiring from there and put it there. God help me. All right, I got a Wago between Y coming from thermostat and Y going to condenser. I got condenser C, R, and G. And I sent Philip down there to see if the contactor gets pulled in. Hopefully he's back momentarily, because I'm schwitzing like a momser. Mikey Pipes is schwitzing like a momser, right? And if you don't know what that means, schwitzing like a momser, you know, all my non-Jewish loyal subscribers out there and viewers, Google it. Oh, there's my condenser. Sweet. Let's go get paid. She's low. And just so we're crystal clear, there's absolutely no warranty or guarantee on this. If you need Freon, either someone took it out or it's leaking out. If it's leaking out, you have a leak in the system, or leaks, plural. So it's very expensive. Like I said, no longer manufactured, and there's absolutely no, I'm not guaranteeing the job at all. And it's going to be an expensive, service call, but you need to replace the system. So as long as we're cool with that, we're good to go. Okay? Okay. 0 pounds. Good enough. Purge out the air. Go. I didn't do that before. I'm gonna do that one. And that one. Good. Let's add, slowly add half a pound. Notice the condenser quieted down a little bit. My evaporator coil is 23 degrees. I'll let that stabilize for a couple minutes. Now 1 pound. Better. Much better. Philip, what would you say the indoor temperature is right now? Yeah? Is that what it read on the thermostat? No. What did it read on the thermostat? Yeah? You should make sure. Indoor ambient temperature. It's factored into this. Wet bulb, dry bulb, all that good stuff. Alright, 2.5 pounds. I want you to watch what that's doing. These are my temperatures. My indoor wet bulb temperature, by the way, 58 degrees. My outdoor dry bulb is 70. So I'm looking for 13 degrees of required superheat. More than I'm noticing is happening is that my pressures are fluctuating. They go up, they go down. They go up, they go down. And that's indicative of, can you guess why? Pressures go up and down like that? No, it's not fluctuating. Refrigerant pressures go up or down. You think it's fan fluctuating? Nope, non-condensables. There's probably non-condensables in the system. So the highest or the lowest I've got the superheat to go is around 18 degrees. And at PSI on the low side goes down to around 40, then it goes up to 55. Over a period of about 30 seconds or so. That's it. That's what it does. See the non-TXV. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I liked making that video and feeding you people. Again, I'm like, GE, I bring good things to life. But let me tell you, that attic, man, I was dripping wet when I got out of that attic. But fan center relay, contactor, and 4 pounds of R22, his system is up and running. I got him down to around 15 degrees of superheat. Best I can get. And I told him, but listen, if you want to replace your system, I'll give you the fan center and I'll give you the contactor, and let's install a Bosch IDS 2.0 5-ton system for your house. And he goes, Mikey Pipes, you'll do that? I was like, yeah. Whips out his checkbook, gives me a deposit. I was like, all right, let's get it done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and enjoy your day. God bless, be well, stay safe.